Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial. I have recently added a new feature. In this feature, we're gonna scrap the product reviews for Amazon, and this is run in the custom mode. So in this, please make sure you log into your Amazon business account. The system will automatically run once a Chrome browser open. Do not browser keyboard, use mouse or keyboard while the tool is running. For the custom mode, you can refer the FAQ section. Before you start login, let me show you one thing very clearly. You need to log into your Amazon account first. Your Amazon account, your Amazon business account is necessary because this function is not an API. It's just an automation, and it will work on your PC. Your monitor screen will be completely engaged when you're running this system. Okay, so you make sure you're already logged into your Amazon business account. Now the second thing, when I'm gonna open this, you see it show me that how many products URLs I want to choose, and here is it. Here are the product URLs. I have it. Basically inside this, the files is loaded. There are total 4 products from the text file I have loaded, because the system work greatly when you have a few products, 15 products to scrap. So this is, and now I'm gonna simply press run and wait button, but keep in mind you log into your Amazon business account first. Okay, so let's get started. You see it start running. It's simply redirecting to the URL of Amazon product, and then it will fetching the data of reviews one by one. Video has been clipped. I have cut down because it's take too much time. The process is little bit slower, but it's a genuine one. So here is the data has been scrapped, and now you are seeing the logs on a screen that how the data has been scrapped. And here is it. You can go down here and without getting banned on Amazon. So here is it. View and analyze data, and we have this view as JSON. Now you can see here customer name, date, product URL, rating and reviews, review headline, review text, and review type. No Epify, simple a Python script, little bit slower, but it can help you to get the data of the customers who are posting reviews, and the great opportunity for us to analyze information. Okay, so this is the JSON preview, and this is the table preview. Okay, so this is the table preview, customer name, review type, review text, and here is the text, and this is the date, product URL, and overall it was that. So the most important thing, I'm gonna download this Excel document, and this is the Excel document. I'm going to download it. Excel document. Here is the file. There total 185 reviews has been scrapped from 5 different products. It's a great information to obtain the data. And what are we going to do now? I'm gonna open the Gemini or the ChatGPT. I have the paid subscription of Gemini, so I'm gonna open this. Gemini, upload files, and here is the document. I'm going to, yes, this is a Excel file. I want you to analyze the data that data about customers that how customers are reacting on a product. Okay, so I hope also draw the charts for me to extract the data. Okay, me to understand the data. So let's see how it responds to my query, because it's very important to analyze the data using AI, using large language model. After scraping, we need to analyze the information. Yes. So this is the distribution of customer ratings, and this is the view volume over time, and yes, this is the summary of the data. Base total reviews out of the average rating 4.72 out of 5. Positive sentiment, neutral sentiment, negative sentiment. These are customer ratings. Rating distribution, overall sentiment. So this all are showing you both keyword use, functionality, space, compartment, pocket, fit, study, cats. I have analyzed different products. Okay, so these are the different products, not a single one. I have this is total products. I only used to enter 5 URLs. Let me word map it. Only 4 products, because it's much little bit slower, so you need to best thing for analyzing small number of products. But I hope guys you are very happy with that. You will be very happy. You can extract unlimited amount of data without getting banned on Amazon, without using API, any API, paid APIs. And I hope this feature will very helpful for you. Also another amazing features. So overall it's end on the video. Thank you very much.